Who wrote the rule that said a thing with feathers